Yes guys, today we are making geocaches. Yes.
Boom shakalaka to all the people that want.
So what's a geocache?
So a geocache is a container.
Yeah, so these are hidden all over the world. We're talking not just England, not just Kenya, all over the world. And they are stashed, these little secret containers. Now we're going to go out and about and find a couple so you know what we're talking about. Okay, so this is our first geocache. We're just trying to grab the very first one. We've got the app. Come to a cricket ground. Let's see what we're going to get. Okay, so geocaching works off the app. You've got to get the app. You use it to follow where the geocache is. Then you log it, you write everything. So get the app, that's how it works. Watch Bo, he's getting the first one. Here it is. See what we're gonna see. Really close?
Oh, it's behind us.
Guys. Yeah, dig that, Atty.
Oh yeah.
We got it.
Got it.
It's magnetic.
It's a note.
Wow, it's a real life treasure hunt. Isn't that cool?
So geocaching is like this sport. You go around the country trying to collect them, as many as you can, using GPS. We're going to go out and about and show you a few that are already stashed. Right, so we're looking for number 2. The boys are in the field. I'm stuck on the other side in the forest. Somewhere here, 1 meter away. Oh, we found it. Look at this, geocache. Okay, this is number 2. Wow, we're in the middle of a forest. What is that guy?
Oh, he's just a little toy.
Toy soldier.
Yeah, kind of. Oh, I
Okay,
think
show
it.
me. Just give me your hands on your face.
Right, we're out and about. We're trying to find it. Bo's got...
Very close.
So Bo's got the phone and he's got the map on it. And the map shows us where this thing is.
Okay, we're here.
We're here. Okay.
Yeah, we're here.
Right, in this little hedge, we found this one. It is the best one we found ever. Check it out.
We found our first, well, not first, but a geocache, and it's got so many trackables in it.
Yo, check this out. People have like little cards. This is from a family who go around doing it, and they've made their own card for it. That's the logbook.
This is the logbook. You write your name and your date in it. Yeah, I just had to crawl in there, and I found it.
That's the coolest one. It's got like 5 or 6 things in it.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Guys, this geocaching thing is way bigger than I thought. I mean, people have got their own business cards. Like, the trackables are getting more and more complex. That logbook had like 45 people in it. People had nicknames. There was the Stunner had found that one. Right, we've got to get more. We've got to catch some more to find out more. Right, so every geocache has like a hint. And this one says black on black. So we're looking for something black on black. We're searching everywhere. Guys, this is trickier than you think. You got to find something maybe tiny.
I found it.
You see it?
Yeah.
Grab it.
Tiny, tiny. I don't think.
See it? There it is. There it is. Grab it. Grab it.
See, it's tiny.
That's amazing, isn't it?
There's no way anything.
Oh! How are we going to write our name on that?
How do people do this?
Okay, is there space for us?
Yeah, there on the back.
Who's number 3? We're killing it today. Yeah, guys, look at what this is. Let's check this out.
There's a fake biscuit there.
Whoa, fake biscuit.
Fake. It's an Oreo notebook. It's the logbook.
Yes, number 4. Number 4. We're on a roll. Hey guys, so we're in this forest. Look, we've got this little guy, little fairy happening. Fairies. We've got to find it. right of the entrance is the clue to the geocache. So we're trying. Bo's in the middle of the bushes. Dad's gone back to the entrance. Sometimes the GPS is not as close as you think, so you've got to figure it out. But it's super fun, isn't it, Alex?
Yeah.
Okay, walk the plank. Massive fail. We're giving up on this one. This is the first one we've given up on. It's amazing. You actually do some kilometers doing this. I think we've done like 3 to 5k this time. And the kids have been great. They're just marching along, enjoying themselves, finding geocaches. I mean, that's the benefit, isn't it? You're out and about doing this. Awesome. Right, we're out again. I've got my geocache I've made. I have a bit of a fun one. But I'm not going to put it today. I'm just going to look for locations. That's what I'm going to do. Got everybody on the team out. We're going to look for locations we can put it in. Got one. That's my first one ever. Guys, it's massive.
I could get in the camera.
Okay guys, my first geocache, I found it. Here we go. Open the massive plastic box. See, they're not all small, are they?
Oh, this is the notebook. Yeah, this is a logbook. Oh, it's so cute.
Oh,
No, this is the logbook.
oh, it's so good. No, don't. Oh, it's been treated nicely.
Okay, sorry.
It's a treasure.
What's this? A candle? A rotten candle. Oh! It's the geocaching card.
So, I've looked at a few we found today. This is not good enough. I've got to improve it. It's just a little bit too small. It's too see-through. It's too shiny. And so, I'm going back to the drawing board. We're going to make a cooler one. Yes. Yo, in the end of the village, we found it in this square. It's called The Square, and we found it. It's got a massive logbook, really nicely printed out. And geocache number 13. Boom! We came across the main road to these pipes. Found one under this, and it said, mind your toes.
Real gems.
Oh, cool. Wow, it's totally smashed up. Lockbox, check here the camo. Oh, it said ivy. So there's ivy on the tree.
Oh, it's Lego! Lego! There's Lego in it.
Ladybug.
Same person on the tent.
Oh. This is Charleston in Cornwall. It does not have a geocache, so I've got a cunning plan. See those cannons? See my magnets? Cannon and magnet and geocache. I'm going to make the geocache into a kind of cannonball that fits down the barrel. Right, whatever you container you use, make sure you wash it out, and if you want to get the label off, hot soapy water. Okay, good. Yes guys, okay, we're back from our adventures. We've got to make some geocaches. The boys are here. I've got some containers. Yeah. What made a good container?
So a good this was a little bit too big and it was very shiny. So if it's shiny, then it reflects in the light, so you can spot it. You can see it.
See, I've got something for that. Look at that. Camo tape. So whatever one we have, we're going to camo tape it. What do you like about this one, Bo?
This one is really cool because it's like a square, and you can see it has a flap at the top, and you can do that. So it's very light, and you can find, and it's like flat. So if you put a rock over it and some leaves over it, it won't make a dent. That's obvious.
Love that. So here we go. Let's see. Look at these. These are like little fridge magnets. Check it out. So there you go. The magnets can go on, and if they're upside down, they'll stick to anything metal like a sign. So good. Scissors are sharp. Right, the boys are going for it. They've got camo tape. They're camoing up every single one of their containers. Look at that. Camo. And 3 little magnets. Wicked. Let's just hang it up there. Geocache. Magnetized. Oh, Bo, what are you doing?
My logbook.
Let's see really close up. Oh, that's so good. And there's the container. You see it. Oh, I love that. Here's my one now, coming together, and it has a lid.
Oh, that's mine.
Oh, that's Ati's. Yeah, Lati, show me my one. Lockbox, camoed up, logbook in, little guy ready to go in it. I think we're good. Gonna go stash them. Guys, this is such a good project. It takes like 10 minutes to make them, and the rest of the day you can have fun geocaching. Look at these, they're perfect. I love the tape. Just do what you can and go and catch a couple and get a good idea. Watch their video on the website. There's the link. And that will tell you all about it. It's the best thing that's happened to us this summer. Go and do it. Just so you're clear, there are trackables that move around, but they're official geocaching things. You shouldn't just put anything in these things. You ask them and you buy one, then it has a little label on it and it moves and it's on the website. So it's a bit more complicated than just putting your toys in a box or something edible. So just be careful, don't go for that straight away. Learn about it and then do it. Yo, here's my logbook. Right, here's my logbook. I've left tons of space for people to do it. I've written its logbook and I've said, this is a geocache. If you find it by mistake, please leave it. I put the geocaching website, signed it, that the Bennetts were the first people to leave it and see it on this date. Love it. And it goes in my container. Okay, I'm down here. Not telling you where. There's my geocache. Ati's geocache. Let's go in. Ready. Whoa, like a cannonball. So cool. Okay, I'm going to push it down a bit further. I'm going to take the coordinates and I'm going to send them off. Yes. My work here is done. Ha ha ha. I'm so excited. I wonder who's going to be the first person. I'm going to pop down later and see if anybody found it and wrote in the logbook. Wicked. Okay, that's a wrap, guys. This has been a great project. Do it. It's so simple. It's like 10 minutes build and like a lifetime of fun. Do it. Like and subscribe. Do it. Comment if you love geocaching. Tell me if you've stashed one. This is brilliant. What an excellent project. Bushwhacker, Mr. Makerspace in Charleston, out.